Prosecutors in Houston are trying to convince a jury to find a man guilty in the killing of someone who came to town with his stepdaughter thinking they were going to buy a car. WTVA's Ethan Foster is live at the Chickasaw County Courthouse where he's listened to some of the testimony in the trial of Jarquavious Doss.
Right now, Doss is charged with murder in the 2020 killing of Robert Cox, and today the prosecution relied on some key witnesses, hoping that they will help the jury decide in their favor. Right now you're seeing video from after the lunch break today when the defendant re-entered the courtroom at the Chickasaw County Justice Court building here. Among today's witnesses, recently retired Chickasaw County Sheriff's investigator Terry Ward, forensic pathologist Dr. David Arbo, and forensic scientist Tommy Bishop. But the state would also call Alexis Talent, the victim's stepdaughter, who was with him the night that he was fatally shot. She was visibly emotional and at one point needed a break before being cross-examined to collect herself. Talent told the court that she believes Doss is the one who shot her stepfather and that no questions asked by the state or the defense would change her mind. Now, the state rested its case today around 3 with 2 hours left till closing time. So the defense went on to call its first witness. They called Daryl Evans to the stand, an inmate right now at the Mississippi Department of Corrections who was in prison at the time of the murder and also claims to be first cousins with Lamarius Spraggs, another man with alleged ties to the crime in October 2020. But by the end of the day, the court ruled that Evans could only provide hearsay and that the defense agreed to rescind his witness testimony before the jury could hear from him. Of course, the defense will move forward tomorrow and call additional witnesses. And from what I can tell, hearing from the judge at the end of today's proceedings, he wants to get the closing arguments by the end of tomorrow, if at all possible. Reporting live here in Houston, I'm Ethan Foster for WTVA 9 News.